So recently, I just had a haircut. I got a bird. Hey, buddies. Doesn't hurt that much. Just a little. And what he looks like. This is his cage. Hey, buddy. Hey, say hi. Say hi. No. Say hi. You're weird. Oh, you're so... Hey. And now that he's over here, I can... Get on your cage. Get on your cage. Good. Now, as you mostly see sometimes, my bird likes to be weird. Hey, buddy. Oh. He really loves his rubs. He's just mostly scared. Hey, you want to go back in your cage? Oh. Hey. Hey. No. No, see? Come here. Look. Up, up. Up, up. Hey. Okay. No, come on. Come on, let's go. Okay, come on. So, mostly about this bird is... This bird's a savage. So, this bird is actually a kiwi bird. And this bird is like a nice bird. He was tamed already. Taken care of, gone for... He is about 2 months old. And we have a giant dog, and this bird kind of bit me. When the bird bites, it does not hurt. You got your tongue out. Oh, you're soft. Hey. He does like to be a little bit of aggressive. We have him in his bath. I'm just gonna try to put him back in the cage. I was mostly scared of birds until today. You like your neck rubs? Buddy. Buddy. Up, up. Hey, up, up. Come on, up, up. Up, up. Come on, buddy. Up, up. His tongue is warm. Hey, hey. Hey, come here, you little savage. I do have to try to get his post. Comment down below if you love birds. See you tomorrow. This is D-Bomber. Goodbye.